Hi guys, I'd like to share with you how to disassemble Samsung Gear 360. You can find a video that shows very well how to open the white plastic case. So I will show the further steps to full disassembly. To make it short, I will show you without unscrewing anything the pad. So remove all the screws you see. Okay, here, and you remove the rings, and here, and also actually you don't need these three. We are not removing this sensor. You remove the front only. Okay. Also bottom, you already know that. So what to do next? After you remove all the screws, just try to pull. I'm not sure you have to remove or not these buttons, but sorry, you have to remove the card. And you see here. Okay, now remove this connector here. Sorry for dark, my light is not enough. It's better now, I think. Anyway, you remove this connector slowly, don't force. Maybe we are damaging because of static electric, I don't know. You see, we removed the back cover. Okay, and then remove the screws here, 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 everywhere you can see, you know. So the battery connector, remove it, and after unscrew here, I already removed them to make a short video for you. Okay, remove this part. I don't know what the part is. So you don't need to remove battery. You see the connector here. Remove here. Okay, this part is removed now. Remove the screws here. Here. I don't know, everywhere. So connector. Now I'm having error because of this part. It was completely shut off. I cleaned with alcohol and toothbrush. It's working now. Sometimes Wi-Fi is not working. I don't know why. So I removed connectors. Then yeah. try not to load yourself with static electric. Yes,